Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Discover app for credit building and insurance affordability. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Search for Discover app download. In the search results, locate the official Discover website. Click on the link that directs you to the Discover app page. Once on the page, look for the download options. If you are using an iPhone, click on the App Store link. If you are on an Android device, select the Google Play Store link. Once redirected to the App Store, locate the search bar. Type in Discover and press Enter. Find the Discover app in the search results. Ensure it's the official app by checking for the Discover logo. Click on the app icon to view the app details. Press the Download or Install button. If prompted, enter your Apple ID or Google account credentials. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. After installation, return to your home screen. Locate the Discover app icon among your installed apps. Tap on the icon to open the app. Follow the on-screen instructions to create an account. Input your personal information as required. Set up your profile for credit building and insurance affordability. Explore the app features to take full advantage of its services. You are now ready to use the Discover app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.